So this is our office for today. Tomorrow we are flying out on a 30-hour trip to Tanzania, or Tanzania, depending on where you're from and how you pronounce it. And we are so stoked. We can't wait to get there, but we've got a lot of work ahead of us still. We're still packing. We cannot actually take plastic bags with us. So these are no-nos in Tanzania. So we have to actually unpack everything that's in plastic bags, which is literally almost everything. You see these little plastic baggies? These all, like, we have to take everything apart and put them back in these little plastic bags when we ship stuff back. Some of it is we're keeping, but there's so many plastic bags, as you can see. When we get back, we'll have to repack and then send those back. But in the meantime, before we go to Tanzania, we have to unpack everything and use these reusable, which I think is so awesome, reusable bags. So no plastic bags at all, which I am very much enjoying. It's more work, but it's really what the planet needs. We have to stop working on convenience and work on the planet.